Our channel. My name is Professor Sabina Sheikh. Students, in the previous lecture, we have understood and learned what is organization structure, what is formal organization structure, and today, going ahead, we're going to understand what is informal organization. As the name indicates, students, informal organization is an organization which is not formed by following proper code of conduct or by following proper rules and regulations of any organization. Okay, in short, informal organizations are the organization which exist in each and every company. Okay, but these organizations will not follow a set of rules and regulations or a set of hierarchy, but definitely they exist and they run in their own way. So let's formally understand what is informal organization. Okay, so as the first point indicates, informal organization is a kind of organization which do not have a defined hierarchy and of authority and responsibility. Okay, that means they do not follow any kind of hierarchy. It's a group of people who share common identity, common goal, and are committed to achieving common purpose. Okay, this simply means that students, people with same interests, people with common interests forms an informal organization. Okay, because in our day-to-day life also we get along with the people who are same like us only, or who are like-minded things. Okay, we get along with the friends whom we can easily go on, and whom we can easily share things. Okay, there is no formal relationship between when we talk about friendship. Similarly, in an organization, what happens is people do bond with each other, okay, without any pressure, because over here they choose their group by their own self. There is no set of commitment, or there is no set of pressure. These organizations are basically formed with the own interest, with the common interest. Okay, and it emerges from interaction or communication between employee irrespective of the designation, position, and hierarchies. Mostly it runs parallel to formal organization. As I told you, they will run parallel to the formal organization. Why? Because this informal organization is in the organization. That means formal and informal organization goes line in line. Okay, that means, for example, if there are two set of people, okay, two set of department. Okay, for example, there's an account department, and for example there's an HR department. So in informal organization, anyone from any department can be friends with each other. Okay, they are going to follow their own work, own commitments, but they can be friends and they can interact. Okay, it is that way. Now just understand the definition. It is given by Chester Barnard. An informal organization is an aggregate of interpersonal relationship without any conscious purpose, but with which may contribute to joint results. Okay. Now, what is the concept and type of informal organization? We'll understand. Okay. Now, when we talk about concept here, students, that is, as I told you earlier also, there are no fixed rules or hierarchies among the member of informal organization. It has a form that is fluid and dynamic. Okay, it is both formal and informal groups are necessary for effective operation. Okay, in an organization, both formal and informal groups are necessary for effective operation. This line is repeated. We can divide informal organization into three categories, not three, we can divide into four categories, in fact, based on how similar and different the work done by the members of each group is. Alright, students, so it is dynamic. It is necessary for effective operations. Why? Because all work, no play. If we have all work and there is no play, or there is no kind of little bit entertainment, then the work we are doing will be very monotonous. Okay, that's why it is necessary for us to have friends, or to have a social group which whom we can share things, and like work and fun both can run together. Okay, these are types. Basically there are three types, but I have added one more because see, there can be n number of types here, but I thought that grapevine is important in formal organization, so I should make you understand. Okay, what is vertical group, students? When we talk about vertical groups, this is an informal organization. Now what happens over here is people working here in different level in an organization who belongs to a vertical group. Okay, such group are formed through skip level relationships. Like for example, of a top level employee may be associated or connected with a first level employee. ठीक है, or you can say a group of first level employee may establish a friendship, okay, with a group of their bosses. That means there is no fixed level. Even a first level employee may establish a group with their bosses. Okay, even the high level employee can form a friendship with the least level of employee. It doesn't make any difference here. That's called a vertical group. Okay, you understood the example? Top level employee associated with the first level employee, or group of first level employee may be associated or established a group with their bosses. So this is a vertical group of informal organization. Clear? Now talking about horizontal group, students, what happened here is over here people who work at the same level in an organization basically belong to this group. Okay, what happens, what they do, they promote mutual support and information, okay, sharing among the members. It is normally seen that people share same interests here also. Okay, often what happens is the problems, concern and interest over here, they share with the same people working at the same level. Okay, what they do, they solve their problem without depending on the bosses, okay, or higher or lower hierarchical member. They work and they share their problems, they work upon their problems with the member of the same level. All right, you can say example like people working for different department like sales, HR, operations, productions, marketing, but who are working at same level in an organization hierarchy, they can form a horizontal group. Understood? Now this grapevine communication you all must have heard in your business communication lecture. This is an informal organization. They occur because of you can say gossips, because again of a same level of interest. They occur informally. They occur even when there is a rumors. So this is also called as an informal organization. Okay, rumors, gossips, etc. They form a grapevine communication in an organization. All right, now talking about the mixed group, students, over here what happen is people from different level and different department create a mixed group. As the name indicate, mixed group, different level, different department, and they form a group. Okay, they are created based on the common interest, like you can say club membership, then you can their common interests or due to the common backgrounds. Okay, for example, a CEO of sales department may bond with the director of say technology. Okay, so there is a bonding, immaterial of their designation, immaterial of their department, but they form a bond, or they form a group. That's called a mixed group in informal organization. I hope this part is clear with you. Now going ahead, we'll learn what are the features or you can say characteristics of informal organization, students. Okay, now this is also whatever we have learned. It's similar. See, every organization has an informal organizations. They are constructed unintentionally over time and without planning or fixed intention. Alright. Second, the formation of such group do not require rules, policies, procedure or norms as we have studied earlier. They simply form through personal interaction and common interest. Okay, that is why they are called informal group. There is no clear path for information to move in. Alright, there is no you can say a notice or there is no a circular to create such group. They automatically gets created. There is no establishment hierarchy or structure as studied earlier. It's possible that employees who don't get along well won't be able to work together. This influences the association's monetary benefit. Now this point is like, like every one of us do not have a same common interest, but they don't, when the people they don't get along with each other, they definitely they won't enter into any group, or they are not able to work together. When people are not able to work together, then definitely the product process get affected. All right, students. So I hope that you've understood why informal organization is necessary and what are the features, types of informal organization. Thank you so much for being with us and stay tuned for my next lectures. Thank you.